In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MetaTrader 5 with Broker. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what details to enter, and how to confirm you're connected and ready to trade. Before we start, make sure you have 3 essentials from your broker: your MT5 login, which is your account number, your trading password, and the exact server name. Brokers usually send these via email or display them in your account dashboard. Without all 3, MetaTrader 5 can't connect. Let's begin with the quickest route inside the desktop app. Open MetaTrader 5, then look to the top left and click File. Choose Login to Trade Account. A small window will appear asking for your login, password, and server. Enter your MT5 account number in the login field, your trading password in the password field, and select or type the broker's server name exactly as provided. It helps to copy and paste carefully, making sure there are no extra spaces. When everything looks correct, click OK. If the connection is successful, you'll see live prices start moving in the Market Watch window, and your account balance will load in the toolbox under the Trade tab. That's your confirmation you're in the right place and connected to the right server. If you prefer another route, or you don't see your broker's server in the first menu, use the Open an Account path. With MT5 open, go to File, then click Open an Account. In the search box, start typing your broker's name and wait for the results to populate. Select the correct server from the list. Be mindful of demo versus live if your broker offers both. Next, choose Connect with an existing trade account. You'll be prompted for the same 3 items: your account login number, your trading password, and the server. Enter them carefully, then click Finish. MT5 will attempt to sign you in, and once again, you should see live prices and your account details appear. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. The #1 reason for no connection or failed logins is choosing the wrong server name, so double-check that it matches exactly. Passwords are case-sensitive, so watch for caps lock. If your broker provided multiple passwords, be sure you're using the trading password, not a read-only or investor password. And if you're missing any of the 3 required details, check your broker's dashboard or contact their support to retrieve them. Once everything matches, MT5 connects reliably and you're ready to trade.